Buddy, you ready to go to the park? You want to go on a treasure hunt? Huh? You want to go? All right. Buddy and I are going to get in the car or the truck, and we're going to go on a treasure hunt to Ancil Hoffman Park. You ready to go, bud? Okay. Here I am back in my old stomping grounds, meaning this is where I used to come as a kid. It's not open, the visitor center, but I'm at FEYA Visitor Center at Ancil Hoffman Park. You can find it on Google easily. It's it's in the center of Carmichael, essentially, off of California Avenue. A little street called Tarshies, I believe, but look it up first. But here I am. I'm looking at I believe this is the leaching pond for the acorns. And they take the acorns off of the oak trees. They leach it and some kind of nasty stuff. Water combined with, let's see, let's look at the demonstration area that they have here. The leaching pit. This pit is used for rinsing. It's got a bitter tannic acid from the acorn flower. And then it's about 3 feet deep, filled with layers of smaller stone to coarse sand, and they put the acorns in there. And it would apparently take out some bad acids that would have, and then they could turn that into flour. So they would end up, flour. You can make tortilla-like things and breads like you get in the Middle East. With flour, you can make any kind of bread. So that's what they did here. And so walk over here to the little hut. It was made of apparently river reeds in some manner, and then they would use mud to keep the insects out, and some other layer, basically, I forget what it's called, but they would use it to keep animals and bugs out and have shade, because it can get real hot here, of course, in the summer. And you can imagine inside of there would be probably 20-30 degrees cooler in the shade in the heat of a summer day. And also it insulates as well. If you get several people in an enclosed space like that, help them keep them warm in the colder winter days. And it's called a Thule house. Let's look and see what it says. Each summer, the Nisenan who lived here built temporary villages. They slept outside during the hot months, storing their stuff inside until the onset of the rainy season. It says in autumn, migrating salmon and acorns signal the season for the Nisenan people to rejoin and form a somewhat more permanent village. And then on these bluffs right above our FEYA center, they would be able to keep dry up just a little bit higher up on the bluffs. I'll show you that later. So pretty cool. It's an amazing little area that's right here in our community. And I'll walk around. You might see these cages. They're trying to grow baby oaks, which take a long time to grow. The oaks around here provided shade, and the acorns, of course. And they take a long time to build, but boy, they're hardy. These oaks can last for, I don't know, lots of years, dozens and dozens of years. Let me circle around real quick, and these are the grinding rocks. I've shown you those up at Bucks Lake. They grind their acorns in here. Same kind of fashion that the Maidu up in the Sierras, where I showed you the rocks up there, they would grind pine nuts. Here they're grinding acorns. They make a flour or a bread, and they pound those kernels in by using stone pestles, which is sort of a kind of long-handled grinding tool. And it's kind of interesting to say that the women would sing together while they worked, children would play and crack acorns. So the children had their own duties as well. Interesting. Use a portal and pestle. That's the term for it. Pestle's over there on the right. Okay, so we'll keep on exploring. When you come, when things are more normal, there's some. You can come to these visitor center. They have tours. They have experts on how life was lived here, hundreds of, maybe even thousands of years here in this kind of area. And we're going to take a little walk into the FEO nature area. Okay, cool. So, just a short distance away from the FEO Center is a couple other parking lots by the clubhouse of the Ancil Hoffman golf course. And you can park there and find a big picnic area that's probably 10 football fields large, probably 5 acres, or you can just walk right on down to the river here. I got a little buddy. He's anxious to get down there. Not much of a swimmer. He doesn't like water, but he likes to just keep moving, don't you, buddy? So let's go on down the river. This is our backyard. Kids, Ancil Hoffman Park. It's right here. It's accessible every day. We need to get outside right now, and this is a beautiful place to do it. There's just literally hundreds of acres total between the nature area and the golf course, the river area. And the river's a kind of a lazy old river right now. Kind of like Tom Sawyer's Mississippi when it was running low. There's some kids right there playing around. Lots of rocks to throw in the water and skip. I have to say I'm a pretty good skipper. Anyway, as you see the cirrus clouds lazily float on by. Beautiful clouds, beautiful day after all the rain we've had lately. Anyway, I'm going to take a walk with Buddy up through the nature area. And I sure hope you kids take advantage of this. It is just a couple miles away. So if your families can get a well-deserved break, come to Ancil Hoffman. It is gorgeous here. There's wildlife to see too. All right, let's catch the trail. Okay, bud? Let's catch the trail. Watch where I'm going. Oh, look at that. You never know what you find out here. What flower is that for extra points? You should know this. It's a state flower. Right here, look at that. Just a little patch amongst all this rock. It's so pretty right now. Yeah, there's always something to appreciate about every day. Me and Buddy just ran into a couple of friends. Look at that. Mama and Daddy. Now you know who's got all the color? The ducks. It's actually the male. The female just generally looks just the same with the kind of the brownish, oakish tan colors. And the male's got the purple head and all that beautiful plumage and feathers. And they don't trust Buddy, so they're out of here. I don't blame them. Another kind of cool thing about being out here walking this nature area, kids, is to see the different kinds of rocks. I mean, these just caught my eye right here. I don't know, hopefully the camera can pick up all the color from them, but I mean, there's just a rock collector's dream here. Look at all that. And it's just for acres and acres of really cool cobble, as I was talking about. Yeah. Okay, I am going to try to skip this here rock and see how many skips we can get. Maybe we'll turn it into multiplication. Not sure how to do that, but in the meantime, we'll have some fun, like we should during this break. Okay, so you grab the rock like this with your index finger and your thumb wrapped around it, kind of almost like a pencil, but small, bigger. So you grab it like that, and then with a sidearm, the overthrow won't skip. It's got to be sidearm. What do you think that is? It has to be on the same plane or on a lateral movement, horizontal movement. Remember, I talked about horizontal and vertical? So I'm going to skip it off the rock, low trajectory. We'll see how many I get. Hopefully, this will record some of the skips. I don't think his buddies got excited. I think about 2 skips on that. So here, buddy, it's a river. You can't swim. You almost got pulled away earlier. I'll get another rock and try it one more time. So again, this is adjacent, which means it is across from the clubhouse, which is over that way. Golf clubhouse, where the golfers meet before they go. But in this area, it's a large picnic area. On weekends, you'll see it busy with families and picnics and barbecues and people playing soccer. Buddy, stay here. Just trying to get out. I better go. Anyway, come on down to Hoffman Park. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous